After 10 days of hard training at the Trentham military camp, the East Coast Service Academy have returned home to celebrate with their whānau. What does today's graduation parade mean for you and the wider school community?
Oh, we are so proud of them. The students went away for 2 weeks on induction course down in Wellington, and we didn't have a chance to really celebrate that until they came back here. And then having someone of Willie Apiata stature to actually be the presenting officer for this is absolutely awesome. And to see our students just working together like that is, very, very proud. This is only the second year, and each year it's growing. So we've now got 3 schools involved. We've got ourselves, a couple of students from the Ruatoria area school, and 2 from Te Kukupapa Māori Kawakawa. In terms of growth, the big growth is the kids are staying in school. So whereas previously we might have only had 5 or 6 year 13s and 8 or 9 year 12s, we've actually got roughly 20 year 12s and a dozen year 13s. So it's giving children a different pathway. They're still heading towards NCA, but they've actually got some other skills along the way.
Kia ora, I'm Hemi Flavel. I'm the Service Academy Director here at Ata College. So the capping ceremony is more of an initiation for the Service Academy trainees. They've just completed an induction course down in Trentham, so to have the capping ceremony is sort of like the icing of the cake. Like you've just completed, you graduated, but to have Willie Apiata here is a huge honour. So we're real grateful for his presence for this graduation.
It's like looking in the mirror, whānau, hey? And just the sound of your boots running onto the praying ground takes memories back to my younger days as a young serviceman. Who dares wins? Dare to challenge anything in life. But before you take the leap, like I did, just do a little bit of thinking before you go, and the landing's so much better. Ka pai? Hey, it's been an absolute privilege. We are here to acknowledge and recognise your efforts in the Service Academy here for not only Ruatoria but Te Araroa. As a young man, I grew up here in your whenua as well. The world is what we make it. Grasp every opportunity. Be the volunteer. That is what we are. We can do anything that we put our minds to.